in this lecture we are going to discuss one mark questions from chapter number 12, area related to circle. So let's start with first question. So here first question is if the area and circumference of the circle, area and circumference of a circle are numerically equal, then what is the radius of circle? We are given that area and circumference of circle are numerically equal. So let's say this is one circle with radius r. So here what is the area of circle? What is the area? Area of circle with radius r is pi r square, and what is circumference? Circumference of circle with radius r, that formula is 2 pi r. Done. So here we are given that area and circumference of circle are numerically equal, मतलब दोनों की वैल्यू न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल है. So now we are given that area of circle is equal to circumference. For this given circle, its area and circumference both are equal. So what is the value of r? What is the value of radius r that we have to find? So area of circle with radius r is pi r square and circumference is 2 pi r. So on comparison, pi cancel, one r is cancelled. You can say radius of circle is 2 unit. Radius of circle is 2 unit. It can be centimeter, meter, kilometer. R will be 2. Done. So this is your first question. Now second question. Question number 2. So here second question is the length of an arc subtending an angle of measure 60 degree at the center of a circle whose area is 616 is dash. You have to find the length of arc. So let's try to do one diagram. One circle is given. So here in this circle we have to find the length of arc. Let's say this is circle with center O and 2 points are point A and point B. Here we have to find the length of the arc AB. Find the length of arc this AB. Length of arc AB subtending an angle of 60 degree at center of circle. ये आर्क ए बी सर्कल के सेंटर के साथ 60 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है. एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस आर्क ए बी एट सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल इज 60 डिग्री एंड एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज गिवन. Area of circle is given. Area of circle is given. Area of circle is, we are given area of circle 616 unit, 616 square unit. Done. So if area of circle is 616 square unit and angle subtended by this arc at center theta is 60 degree, then question is what is the length of this arc? What is the length of this arc? Done. So what is the formula to find the length of this minor arc? Length of minor arc of the circle is given by pi r theta. It is given by pi r theta upon 180. Length of minor arc is given by pi r theta upon 180. So here value of theta is given, but value of r, value of the radius of circle is not given, and instead of giving the value of radius we are given area of circle. Done. So by using this area of circle, first we will find the value of this radius r, then by using the value of r and theta we can find the length of this minor arc. This is the logic of this question. Done. So let's try to solve this. So area of circle is given. What is the area of circle? 616. Formula is pi r square. Area of circle with radius r is pi r square. This is equal to 616. So put the values. Pi is 22 by 7. R square equal to 616. So here we require the value of r square. So r square is 616 into this 7 will go into multiplication and this 22 will go into division. simplify this. So here this can be cut by 2. 2 11s are 2 3s are 6, 0 2 8s are 16. 11 से कट होगा, 11 2s are 22, 11 8s are 88. So this will be 28 into 7. R square is 28 into 7. So 28 into 7. तो इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 7 4s are 28 into 7. So this one is 7 square into 2 square. So R square is 7 square into 4. 4 is 2 square. So square root R, है ना, square root of R square, that is the value of radius R. So radius R will be क्या होगा, 7 2s are 14 unit. Done. Now we are value of R and theta. So we'll get the value of length of minor arc. So length of minor arc is, है ना, values put करो, pi 22 by 7. R is 14, theta 60 and upon 180. कटिंग होगा, 6 3s are 18, 7 2s are 14, 22 2s are 44 by 3. So length of minor arc will be 44 by 3. Done. ये आपका आंसर. Clear students? So now you can pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now next question, that is question number 3. So here in this question we have to find area of largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius 8 centimeter. Very good question. So here we are given one semicircle of radius 8 centimeter. So this is one semicircle of radius 8 centimeter. Radius is given R equal to 8 centimeter. Question is, what is the largest triangle that can be inscribed in this semicircle? Largest triangle. So here let's say this is end point A and B, this is center O. So if the radius is 8 centimeter, we can take this one as a base of triangle, and if we draw one radius which is perpendicular to this one, so maximum height will be 8 centimeter. So this triangle will give us the largest triangle which is inscribed in this semicircle. Done. The diameter of this semicircle will give us largest base, and this perpendicular will give us largest height. For other triangle, if we try to do other triangle, so here height will be less than 8 centimeter. Suppose this is C and this is C dash. So this triangle having the same base, but its height will be less than 8, so area will be reduced. So this triangle ABC will give us maximum area. So here we have to find the area of the largest triangle. So what is the area of largest triangle? Here we can say largest triangle that can be formed with largest base, largest base and longest height. So largest base is nothing but the diameter of this semicircle, which is equal to 16 centimeter, and longest height is nothing but the height, or we can say perpendicular, drawn at base, that is 8 centimeter. Done. So area of the longest, or we can say area of the largest triangle. So area of largest triangle is 1/2 into base into corresponding height. This is equal to 1/2. Base is 16 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. So cutting 2 8s are 16, 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. So area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in semicircle is 64 सेंटीमीटर। डन। तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में रेडियस की वैल्यू चेंज कर सकते हैं और ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ सकता है फॉर 1 मार्क्स। क्लियर फ्रेंड्स? सो नाउ अगेन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन। Okay students, now next question, that is question number 4. Again it is related to semicircle. So here we are given one semicircular garden. This is one semicircular garden. The radius of this semicircular garden is 35 meter. Radius of this semicircular garden is 35 meter. So here question is, if one has to make one complete round of this semicircular garden, he has to walk, that means total distance to cover, or we can say total distance to make one round is equal to dash meter. If one has to make a complete round around this semicircular ground, he has to walk dash meter. Done. So one semicircle is given, radius of this semicircle is r equal to 35 meter. So अगर इसका complete round लगाना है तो person को कहाँ पर चलना पड़ेगा? Person has to walk this semicircle circumference of semicircle and 1 radius and 2 radius. So total distance that is equal to half of circumference of circle. So it's a 2 pi r by 2. So it's a pi r, half of circumference of circle 2 pi r by 2, it's a pi r, then r plus r, which is 2r. Done. Put the value of r. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 plus 2 into 35, 7 5s are 35, so it's a 110 plus 70, so that person has to walk 180 meter to make one complete revolution, complete round around this semicircular garden. Clear friends? So now again it's your time to pause this video and note it down. Now friends, next question number 5. So here in this question we have to find area of the square inscribed in a circle of radius 35 centimeter. So students, we are given one circle. In a circle we have to inscribe one square, है ना? Square is inscribed by this circle, that means circle के अंदर square बनाया हुआ है. तो this is one square, that square is inscribed in a circle. What is the property? Different properties of square are there. All sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree, diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. These are the properties of square. So that square is inscribed in a circle with radius r equal to, radius of circle is given, radius of circle is 35 centimeter. Here we have to find the area of square. What is the area of square? What is the area of square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius r equal to 35 centimeter? Clear? So let's say this is the given circle ABCD. इसको हम नाम दे दें ABCD. We have to find the area of this square. What is the formula? Side square. If we are having the length of the side of the square, we can find the area of the square. But here we are not giving the length of the side of the square. Instead of length, we are given radius of this circle. Radius of circle is given. So here radius of circle is 35 centimeter. So here we can say diameter of circle is equal to twice of radius. Radius is 35, so length of diameter is 35 into 2, 70 centimeter. Done. So diameter of circle is 70 centimeter. So length of diameter is 70 centimeter. That diameter is nothing but the diagonal of square. Diagram में देखो, diameter is nothing but the diagonal of this square, one of the diagonal of this square. Therefore we can say length of diagonal of square is equal to 70 सेंटीमीटर. डन. अगर ये रेडियस 35 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल पूरी 70 सेंटीमीटर होगी कि नहीं होगी? यस. डन. नाउ दिस इज स्क्वायर, दिस इज राइट एंगल. कैन वी अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? सो नाउ इन ट्राइंगल ABC according to Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree, so by Pythagoras theorem, if we apply Pythagoras theorem over here, it's AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, and here for this square both sides are equal, so can we replace AB equal to BC? So AB square plus AB square, which is equal to twice of AB square equal to AC square, length of diagonal, which is equal to 70 square. So AB square is equal to 70 square, 4900 divided by 2. Now students, what is AB square? Is the square of side, and square of side is nothing but the area of square. Done. तो वो हमें फाइंड करना था. So area of square is nothing but the square of his one of the side. The side is AB, which is AB square, and AB square is equal to this one 4900 by 2. 4900 divided by 2. क्या आंसर आएगा? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2450 centimeter square. Done. This is the area of this square which is inscribed in this circle. Clear students? Now again pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. Okay students, now next question number 6. So here question is, the radius of circle is 3.5 centimeter. So one circle is given, circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. So this is one circle with radius r equal to 3.5 centimeter with center O. So here we have to find the area. We have to find the area of minor sector formed by two perpendicular radius of circle. So here two radius of circle, radii of circle are perpendicular to each other. So if the two radius are perpendicular to each other, we have to find area of this minor sector. What is the area of minor sector? So let's say this is minor arc AB. So OA and OB both are radius of circle, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and if both radius are perpendicular to each other, central angle theta is nothing but the 90 degree. So here we have to find the area. Done. Find the area of minor sector formed by two perpendicular radii of the circle. So now formula, area of minor sector, this is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So here put the values. Pi is 22 by 7, radius r is 3.5, so it's a 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into theta is 90 degree, and this one is 360 degree. Now perform simplification. 7 5s are 35, 0 0 cut, 9 4s are 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. So this one is 11 5s are 55, 55 into 35 by 2. आप लोग इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 9.625 समथिंग. आंसर इज 9.625 centimeter square. Done. So here we have to consider if two radii are perpendicular to each other, central angle will be 90 degree. ये concept था. Now seventh question. Seventh question is, so here in this question we are given circle with radius 21 centimeter, a circle with radius 21 centimeter. So consider this circle is given, circle with radius 21 centimeter. So this is given circle with 21 centimeter. The perimeter of minor sector is 64 centimeter. Minor sector, so यहाँ पर ड्रॉ कर दिया. चलो तो ये माइनर सेक्टर हो गया है ना. दिस इज O, दिस इज A, दिस इज B. पेरीमीटर ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर गिवन. पेरीमीटर ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. Perimeter of minor sector is 64 centimeter. So if the perimeter of minor sector is 64 centimeter, then the length of the arc of that sector is dash centimeter. Length of the arc, this is minor arc, we have to find the length of this minor arc. So what is the perimeter of minor sector? Perimeter means total length of this minor sector. तो O से B, B से L और A से O वापिस. So this is one R, this is one R, and this is L. So perimeter of minor sector is nothing but the twice of R plus twice of R plus L, and that is given 64. And also we are given the value of this R, radius. Radius R is radius R of the radius R of the given circle is 21 centimeter. Done, students. Put the values, we'll get the value of length of minor arc. So here this one is 64 equal to twice of R, 21 plus R. 64 minus 21 to the 42 equal to L. So length of minor arc is 22 centimeter. This is the answer. ये हमारा आंसर है. Done. So now pause this video and note it down. Okay friends, now next question, question number 8. So here question number 8 is, we are given that the length of minor arc AB, length of minor arc AB of the circle is 1/4 of its circumference. A very good question is there. So circle is there, circle with center O. Length of minor arc is given. Let's say these are the two radii and this is minor arc L, and these are the end points of chord AB. So this is chord AB. So length of this minor arc, length of this minor arc is 1/4 of this circumference. So length of this minor arc is, है ना, length of minor arc, length of minor arc, which is nothing but the L. So length of that minor arc is nothing but the 1/4 of circumference of circle, है ना, 1/4 of circumference of circle. So L is 1/4 of circumference of circle. Therefore we can say L equal to 1/4 of circumference of circle, which radius R is 2 pi R. So if the length of minor arc AB is 1/4 of circumference, then the measure of angle subtended by this minor arc, है ना, measure of angle subtended by this minor arc at the center is equal to what? So what is the value of this theta if length of this minor arc is 1/4 of this circumference? So L is, what is the value of it? यहाँ पर कॉमन सेंस यूज करो, साबु यूज करो, सामान्य बुद्धि यूज करो. Length of this minor arc is 1/4. So this is fourth part, this is second part, third part and fourth part. तो ये सर्कल पूरा 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गया. सो थीटा विल बी 90 डिग्री. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्ट आंसर दे सकते हो. अगर आपका ये लॉजिक आगे वर्क नहीं कर रहा है तो कैलकुलेशन करो. लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क इज 1/4 ऑफ दिस सर्कमफ्रेंस. सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क? इट्स अ पाई आर थीटा अपॉन 180. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1/4 ऑफ इस सर्कमफ्रेंस. सर्कमफ्रेंस इज 2 pi r. डन. देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा? सो 2 से 2 2 ज़ा 4, पाई से पाई कट, आर से आर कट, 180 ऊपर जाएगा, सो थीटा इज़ 180/2, सो और थीटा इज़ 90 डिग्री। डन, आ गया थीटा 90 डिग्री। तो आप दोनों तरीके से ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो। डन स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन इज देयर, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, इसको आप याद रखेंगे। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ninth question. So here in this ninth question we are given that circle with radius 10 centimeter. One circle is given with radius r equal to 10 centimeter. The area of minor sector, area of minor sector, area of minor sector, area of minor sector is given. Area of minor sector is 75 centimeter square. Area of minor sector is 75 centimeter square. Then length of arc of the sector is, length of the minor arc of the sector is what? Done. So here area of minor sector is given. So area of minor sector, what is the formula? It's a pi r square theta upon 360. Also we are making the use of one derived formula, that is pi by 2 common ले लो, so it's a r common ले लो, r by 2 common ले लो, so it's a pi r theta upon 180. Done, r common ले लिया, so this one is r by 2 and this is nothing but the length of minor arc. Done. So here area of minor sector equal to radius by 2 into L. So which values are given? A, area of minor sector is given, which is equal to 75 centimeter square. So this one is 75 centimeter square. Radius r is given 2, and here you have to find the length of minor arc. Simplify this. 2 5 are 10, 75 by 5 equal to L. So L will be 15 5 are 75. So 15 centimeter. So length of minor arc will be 15 centimeter. Clear students? रेडियस गिवन थी, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर गिवन था, तो आपको माइनर आर्क की लेंथ फाइंड करनी थी। एरिया का फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया, ये डीराइव फॉर्मूला अगर आपको डायरेक्ट आता है तो आप डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैंने आपको वो एक बार रिवाइज करवा दिया कि कैसे आएगा। तो एरिया गिवन, रेडियस गिवन, वी कैन फाइंड लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क। डन। तो ये था 9th क्वेश्चन। उसके बाद एक छोटू सा 10th क्वेश्चन भी देख लेते हैं। सो 10th क्वेश्चन इज here, yes, the area of circle is given. Suppose area of circle with radius r is 38.5 centimeter square, 38.5 meter square. चलो, area of circle is 38.5 meter square. Then what will be its circumference? We have to find its circumference. Done. Area of circle with radius r is given. What will be its circumference? तो यहाँ पर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करें। ये एक सर्कल, रेडियस r, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज 38.5. सो फॉर्मूला, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज पाई r स्क्वायर, एरिया इज गिवन 38.5, सो इट्स 385 by 10, रिमूविंग डेसिमल पॉइंट, दिस इज इक्वल टू 22/7 r square. So here we are getting the value of radius r. So r square will be, है ना, 385 by 10 into 7 upon 22. कटिंग करो, 11 2 जा 11 3 जा 33, 11 5 जा 55, 7 5 जा, सॉरी क्या किया, 7 ऊपर 22 नीचे, तो हियर 5 से करो, 5 2 जा 5 7 जा। डन। सो इट्स 7 7 49 by 4. सो और r विल बी, है ना, 7 square by 2 square. सो r is 7/2 meter. Radius r is 7/2 meter. So if the radius is 7/2 meter, what will be circumference? Circumference क्या होगी, कहाँ स्पेस है? चलो यहाँ पर मैं इसको मिटाता हूँ ना, इसके पहले आप नोट डाउन कर लो। चलो, so here you have to find circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. So it's a 2 into pi, 22 by 7, and r is 7 by 2. 2 से 2 cut, 7 से 7 cut. So C equal to 22 meter. C equal to 22 meter is the circumference of this circle. क्लियर फ्रेंड्स, एरिया गिवन था, सरकमफ्रेंस निकालनी थी, तो एरिया का यूज़ करके हमने रेडियस निकाली, रेडियस का यूज़ करके सरकमफ्रेंस फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके सरकमफ्रेंस की वैल्यू निकाली. डन फ्रेंड्स. सो नाउ यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन.